Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will clearly understand the concept of ER diagram including entities, attribute, relationship and the cardinality. So this is the proper diagram. Like this you have to write in the examination along with the explanation. So let's see the explanation of this diagram. This is very important diagram. For an exam point of view, you should write and draw like this. So let's start with the main components of the diagram. Entities. Entity represent real world object. Here we have four entities. First one is employee which store the employee details. Second one is department which store department information, and third one is project which contains project details, and dependent which store information about the employee dependents. Now let's move to the attributes. So attribute describe the properties of the each entity. For employee we have attribute like employee ID which is the primary key, employee name, date of birth, gender, hire date, salary and the email. For department, attributes include like department ID as a primary key, department name, location and the phone. For the project, we have the project ID as the primary key, project name, start date, end date and the budget. And for the dependent, attribute include like dependent ID as the primary key, dependent name, relationship and date of birth. Now let us understand the relationship between this entity. So first, manage relationship between department and employee. This is a one-to-one relationship, meaning one department is managed by one employee and the one employee manage one department. This is the relationship between the department and the employee. Now next work is work in relationship between employee and the department. This is many to many one relationship. Many employees work in one department, but each employee works in only in a one department. Now next one is repose to relationship between employee and the employee. This is also many to one where many employee report to one manager. Now next one is assigned to relationship between employee and project. This is a many to many relationship, meaning many employee can work on many project. Now our next one is control by relationship between project and department. This is many to one where many projects are controlled by the one department. Finally, we have relationship between employee and dependent, where one employee can have many dependents, but each dependent belongs to one employee. This is our overall relationship between employee, dependent and each other. Now move to next topic, which is cardinality. Cardinality defines the numbers of entities involved in a relationship. One means a single entity and n or m means many. So 1 to 1 means one entity is related to one entity. 1 to many means one entity is related to multiple entities, and many to many means multiple entities are related to multiple entities. So this is the complete explanation of the ER diagram. You should explain like this in the examination to get the full marks along with the proper and same diagram which I am given to you. So if you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.